Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again to our kind of unofficial quasi-series of integrating ChatGPT with Excel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show two different formulas, an XLOOKUP and a SUMIF function, and showing how you can get ChatGPT to write the formula for you. And the advantages to this is it's going to write the correct syntax. You're not going to have to, make sure you got all the commas and all this other stuff in it. It seems to work pretty well. I've tried it a few times. I have a short form video on it as well. But this is going to go a little bit more in depth on the ins and outs of it. But it's really quite simple. What I've got here is I've got this table of data, and and I have this set up two different ways. So for the SUMIF function, I actually will have the region or the item we're searching for static in the formula, and in the XLOOKUP, it'll be based on a certain cell value, a single cell value. So in any case, we have this table of data. We've got the region, and we've got the client, amount, project it's for, and the rep. So in a lot of cases, you're going to want to be able to sift through this and figure it out. Now you have, there's a million different ways to do this. Sometimes you just want to do it in one. Sometimes you can use you can filter the data. It's a table, so you can filter it if you want to. There's a lot of different ways to do it. But in this case, if we just want to get one value and we want a formula for it, and we want to do it really quick so we don't have to mess around with it. So for the the SUMIF formula, we're going to figure out the total sales for all the items that are in the West region. At the end of the video, I'm going to have a little trivia quiz for you. So based on this data, so stay tuned. In any case, here we go. So all you have to do, so I wrote the formula out already, and we're just going to go to our ChatGPT page. You go to your prompt. You're going to write a SUMIF to total sales in column D if region in column B is West. So this is where this is static. So you hit enter. ChatGPT creates the formula right here. It gives you an explanation. You got to be kind of careful because sometimes ChatGPT doesn't quite give you the right stuff. But in any case, in this case, it's going to work. So we're going to copy this over. Hit copy. We're going to go back to our spreadsheet. It's going to Control V, paste it in there, and there you go. So you've got all the sales for the West. The XLOOKUP function is very similar. All we're going to do is we're going to go back. We'll start a new chat just to make it cleaner. Control V, and so this is the command. I took XLOOKUP, a rep name from C31, so that's that static, or that's the cell value that we're looking for. So you can change the cell value in F27 and return the region from B2 to B20. Hit enter, and it goes through the whole thing again. Gives the formula. This one does a if it's not found in there, then you would put not found. So that has that fourth argument in there. You copy, go back, you can paste it. You can either paste it into the formula bar or you can just paste it. So now this is saying the first instance is West. So it's looking for JT. First instance is West. And this is just for illustration purposes anyway. Thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and leave a comment if you want, if you have specific questions about other videos you'd like me to produce or make or whatever. And as a bit of trivia, if you can look at who these clients are and the projects, you can kind of tell what movie or what TV show some of these folks are from. So it'd be interesting to hear from you in the comments if you guys see what that if you have some knowledge of that, and if it rang a bell with you. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please hit subscribe. We're getting close to the 1,000 mark. I'd like to get over that so we can start getting paid a little bit for this. I do love doing it, and it's a lot of fun for me. But to get a little money for it would be great too. So thanks for tuning in. Again, hit that subscribe button, and if you like the content, and leave a comment if you'd like to have something, a specific video produced or whatever. So thanks for tuning in.